Megan with WTI, and cleaning your makeup brushes is tedious sometimes, but essential. I have found it to be a lot easier now that I'm using this SHANY Detox Professional Brush Cleaner. The first time I sprayed it onto a cotton pad, I was really impressed with the suds that it gave off. It just gave me the confidence that I knew that it was going to clean my brushes well. And I was so impressed with how easy it was to take the makeup off my brushes. All I did once my brushes were clean was fluff the makeup brush a little bit on the back of my hand, and they were ready to go. They were immediately dry. I could put them away and they're ready for the next time I need to apply my makeup. I try to do a deep clean of my makeup brushes once a week. However, when you're wearing makeup every single day, you need a quick solution to be able to keep your brushes clean in between those times. This Shiny Makeup Brush Cleaner helps me easily keep my makeup brushes clean so that I don't have to worry about the growth of bacteria on them. It has made it really simple for me and my busy lifestyle. It's something that allows me now to keep up with cleaning my brushes instead of giving up because it takes too long. And that's my point of view.